In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in OnePay credit card online. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in onepay.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of OnePay. So if you want to manage and access your credit card online, what you have to do is simply log into your OnePay account. If you log into your OnePay account, you'll be able to access your credit card. So for that, what you have to do is click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the sign in interface of OnePay. Now you'll be able to log into your OnePay account. You can either log in with your mobile number or you can also sign in with your email if you want. Click on the option of your choice. Here I selected the option for email. So what you have to do is simply click on the field of email. Now enter the email address over here. After you do that, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now a confirmation code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is enter that code in another interface. After you do that, you'll be able to sign in to your account. Now you'll be able to manage and access your credit card online. So that is how you log in OnePay credit card online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.